Hello, it's Alexis again, and today I got a slime package. So, oh my god, it's so blurry. To me, it is blurry. So, I got a slime package. So, I'm gonna be opening this. So, yeah. Got the note. So I'm going to hurry up and do this video. So it says, "Dear Alexis, thank you so much for purchasing. I also really enjoy your videos. There's also extras." Okay, I'm not going to open the extras because if I do this video too long, I can't post it. So hurry up and do this. This is the Starbucks slime. I'm sorry. I'll just go through this with you. Starbucks slime. It was $1. Yeah. I don't want it to be too long because it won't post. So this is the Starbucks slime. It has good texture. It's a little sticky. It made a fart noise. I'm fine with that. If it's sticky, I am fine with that. So fine with that. 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 So this is my Starbucks slime. So yeah. Starbucks slime. Why don't they name it coffee slime? Like, it looks like coffee. Nickelodeon. Did I do my intro? I don't think I did. I'm gonna do this. Hello guys, my name's Alexa, and I got a slime package right there. I don't know if I did it, but yeah. I hope I did it already. So the second one is my bubblegum slime. Whoop. This. It broke. Yeah, so this is my bubblegum slime. It has different colors sparkles. You can't really stretch it, but it doesn't make noises. Yeah, it doesn't make noises, so I think they messed up on my order a little bit. Well, I don't know, hope they didn't get it mixed up because I didn't order putty. Whoa, I got something in my eye. Next one is the mint green slime. Oh, they're all $1 and the extras are free. So this is $1. It's mint green slime with light green sparkles, kind of light green. I'm gonna get this out of the box. So this. Hold on, guys. I need to put my phone on charge. I hope that worked. So, yeah, this is the mint green slime. Yeah. So, it's very stretchy. I'm going to show you the poking noises. Great texture. Okay, I'm going to get this over with already. I'm not going to show you the extras because, you know, it's going to take too long. And if I do it too long, it's going to not let me post. So that's lavender slime. That's that. We're going to do the poking noises. Yeah. And the brown one's clay slime. This is just normal slime. And that one is, I don't know what that is. That one is a butter slime. Where's the bucket? Oh gosh, guys. I'm getting so scared. Hold up. Okay. I need to hurry. And I'll show you one of the extras that are, oh, this is the receipt. And I got this off of Instagram. That's one of the extras, and there's just these like weird extras, and they're like taped up. So yeah. And I got some shaving cream just in case it gets sticky. Woo! I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna rub up my hands. Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Yeah. I guess I could just open one of them. I'll open one, okay? Oh my gosh, I need to hurry. I'm just opening one of these. Oh my god, how am I gonna get this open? I'm definitely gonna have no time. Hurry. Oh my gosh, guys. Ow! Something keeps getting in my eyeball and it hurts. Okay, guys. This kind of looks like EOS lip balm. Oh my gosh, it's stuck around my finger. It looks like this. It looks like EOS lip balm. I have no clue. It looks like one of those. It's not an EOS lip balm. This is a LAC lip balm. Okay, this is just taking forever. Okay. Get this off. Let's get that off so we can open it. If this is used, I am not using this. Okay, let's look. So this is what it looks like. Focus, 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 focus. Okay. Oh, it's used. Okay. So guys, I'm going to end this video here. Hope you liked this video. If you're watching, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, or like request a video for me if you want me to do a video. Oh, and make sure you stay tuned for part 2 because I'm going to show you my slime collection. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So make sure you like, subscribe, and request a video for me. Bye, guys.